Avery. Run, Avery. It's raining. It's raining. Meow. Hurry. Don't stop. You're going to get wet. Oh my gosh, it's raining. Hurry, get inside. Get inside. Oh my gosh. I think I'm putting her to sleep. Uh-oh. It always sucks when her hands get caught in my gloves. Ah! I'm entering a world of pain. This is so awkward. This is so okay, there we go. Somebody doesn't want to be petted. I'm sorry. This is my dorky cat. Ow! Ow! She likes to sit and watch rain. Yeah, sorry about that. Didn't mean to hog it all. Oh, so you're not going to talk to me now? She's usually very talkative. Hey, Bree. Meow. You're a dork. Hey, kitty. Meow. You're a dork. Yeah. Ouch! That hurts. Meow. Tell me about the rain. Tell me about the rain. Why aren't you talking to me anymore? Nobody's talking to you. We're talking to Avery. Meow. Jinx, you owe me a soda. Meow. Haha, you fell. You fell. You fell. Avery. Avery. Hey. What you doing? Meow. Ow. 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 Avery. Ow. Ouch. 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 That hurts. Ow. Hey, kitty. Now she doesn't want to talk to me anymore. Ow. Meow. Okay, she's definitely not going to talk to me anymore. She's just going to... Ow. Ow. Meow. Avery, tell the rain that it's doing it wrong and that it's supposed to be in Seattle right now. Or you can just walk over in that direction and not talk to me. I know you are. I know. I know you're always... Shut up. Avery. Yay! So I just found this random ass cat hanging out here. And I wanted to get something like a little picture of him. I don't know. Hey baby, oh my goodness. I'm so hungry. Hi, isn't he pretty? You need to go home. Aww. I'm sorry, honey. I can't take you with me. He's really pretty, though. I ran out here in a panic because I thought she was caught in this. But she's not. She's just fine because she's a boss. You got a spider web on you. Ah! Avery, do you want to come in?